Hello dear students, welcome to my English class. I am MD Alum Ghazi, Assistant Teacher English, Konakabi Secondary School, Dakop, Khulna. I hope you are fine and safe. I am also well. Today I am going to conduct my English class for the students of class 9. Dear students, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, in this picture we see that many people are crossing the rivers by boats and launches, and the boats and launches are overcrowded. They are not worried, though an accident may take place at any moment. Dear students, can you guess what is our today's topic? Yes, our today's topic is the ferry boat. Dear learners, open your book, page number 45, unit 4, lesson 1. Here we have some learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, students will be able to ask and tell about problems, narrate something in writing, seek and give suggestions. Dear students, look at the picture. Question number 1. Where can you find this kind of boat? Yes, you can find this kind of boat in the riverine area. Question number 2. Why does the boatman carry passengers across a river? Yes, the boatman carries passengers across a river to earn money. Question number 3. Why do people use country boat? Yes, people use country boat because there is no ferry and the country boats are available here. Dear students, now we will learn some keywords. Look at the picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, shoulder. Shoulder means the upper joint of the human arm and the part of the body between this and the neck. What do you see in the picture? Yes, passenger. Passenger means a person who is traveling in a car, bus, train, plane or boat who is not driving it. Black clouds. The sun had disappeared behind a cloud. Look at the picture. Overcrowded. Overcrowded means too many people in a place. What do you see in the picture? Yes, ferry boat. Ferry boat means a kind of boat by that people cross the river to paying ferry. Now we will learn some synonyms. Casualty, victim, cross, cover, ferry, vessel, staff, articles, weather, climate, happen, occur. Dear learners, read the text attentively. Dear students, tick the best answer. First question, a ferry boat was plying on the river. Here plying means A. Plying with other boats, B. Singing in the river, C. Traveling along a route, D. Waiting for passenger. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Traveling along a route. Second question, why was everybody trying to get into the boat? A. It was a weekly bazaar day. B. After sunset, no ferry would ply on the river. C. Everybody had shopping bags with them. D. It was going to be a dark and stormy evening. Yes, the correct answer is D. It was going to be a dark and stormy evening. Question number 3. The boatman requested the people to wait because A. His boat was very small, B. The boat had already too many people, C. There were other boats they could take, D. They would not ferry people with bags and baskets. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. The boatman had already too many people. Question number 4. With too many people on the boat sank. A. On the boat, B. On the wooden boat, C. Outside the boat, D. On the notice board. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is A. On the boat. Question number 5. There are no casualties. The statement tells us that A. Nobody died, B. Nobody was rescued, C. Nobody accepted their fate, D. Nobody lost anything. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. Nobody accepted their fate. Question number 6. The boat was overcrowded. Here overcrowded means A. People were quarreling on the boat, B. The boat was unable to carry any more people, C. The boatman did not like a crowd, D. The people were sailing on the boat's bamboo wood. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B. The boat was unable to carry any more people. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. All the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye.